It is the end of August and the flower box looks amazing with these potato vines in them. They are massive. I have not tried to trim on these at all, and they are almost all the way down to the ground. I think the one further away gets a little more sun during the day. This one has started kind of growing up this trellis or obelisk that I had the sweet peas on, but they pretty much have crowded out everything else. I didn't try and trim anything because I wanted to see what they would do, and they look lush and beautiful all summer long, even in 110 plus degrees.